The question says, solve for s in the given exponential equation. So we have solution. So the first one is we have 5 raised to the power x, okay, minus 5 raised to the power x minus 1 equals 100. Okay, so when we look at this equation, we can factor out what is common to 5 raised to the power x, 5 raised to the power x minus 1, and that is 5 raised to the power x minus 1, okay, into 5 minus 1. Okay, so when you multiply this with this, we have this. Okay, when we multiply this with this, we have this. Okay, so how do we do that? So when we say 5 raised to the power x, okay, 5 raised to the power x minus 1 times 5 raised to the power 1. So when we apply law of indices here, we're having the same base. So we have 5 raised to the power x minus 1 plus 1. Okay, since we are adding, so this is out. Okay, so we have 5 raised to the power x, which is this. And we multiply this with this, we have this. So equals 100. Okay, so here we have this as 5 raised to the power x minus 1. For 5 minus 1 is 4 equals 100. Here we have this as 100. We have 4. So we divide by 4. Okay, so when we divide that, this is out. So we have 5 raised to the power x minus 1 equals, when you divide this, we have this to be 25. Okay, so for 5x raised to the power 1 equals 25. So we can have this in the same base. So we have 5 raised to the power x minus 1 equals 5 raised to the power 2. Okay, so when we have the same base, we can now equate the power. So we have x minus 1 equals 2. Okay, so we add 1 to both sides as a result of minus 1. So we have x equals 2 plus 1. So the value of x equals 3. Okay, so we can check for x to be 3 to confirm from this equation. So we have 5 raised to the power x minus 5 raised to the power x minus 1. So when we solve this, do we have 100? So for x to be 3, we have 5 raised to the power 3 minus 5 raised to the power 3 minus 1. So for 5 raised to the power 3, we have this to be 125. For 5, this 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 raised to the power 2 is 25. So when we subtract this, we have 100. So the value of x is 100. In the second equation, we are having 9 raised to the power x equals 1 divide 81 raised to the power x minus 1. Okay, we have this as 9 raised to the power x equals 1 divide 3 raised to the power 4 into x minus 1. Okay, so for 9 raised to the power x, we can have this part of the equation as 3 raised to the power minus 4 into x minus 1. Okay, so here we have this as 9 raised to the power x, okay, or we have it as 3 raised to the power 2, okay, raised to the power x equals 3. When we apply the exponent rule, we have this as minus 4x, okay, we have this as plus 4. We multiply this with this. So here we have this as 3 raised to the power 2x, okay, equals 3 raised to the power minus 4x plus 4. So we have the same base. Let's work with the power. We have 2x minus equals minus 4x plus 4. So here we collect the like signs. We have 2x plus 4x equals 4. Here is 6x equals 4. So the value of x is 4 over 6, or we have it to be 2 over 3. Thank you very much.